Starting a welding business in a small town with tough competition and a tight economy is a real challenge, but there are ways to make it work if you play it smart and stick with it. So here's the deal. First, focus on building relationships in your community because word of mouth is everything when the population is only about 3,000. Offer super affordable, honest quotes, even if it means barely breaking even at first, just to get some steady clients and solid reviews. Next, try to find a niche that your competitors aren't covering, like custom repairs, farm equipment welding, or mobile welding services, which can bring in customers who can't travel far. Use social media and local online groups to promote your work, showing off before and after shots and happy customer stories to build trust. Don't ignore subcontracting either. It may not pay huge right away, but it gets your name out there and helps you learn the business side while still keeping income flowing. Keep your overhead low by working from home or your garage, and invest in good tools that last so you don't burn cash on replacements. Keep track of every job detail and expense because understanding your numbers is clutch when you're trying to grow. And finally, stay patient. Business growth is slow, especially in small towns, but consistency pays off. One of the biggest mistakes people make when starting a welding business in a small market is underpricing or overpricing jobs. Too low and you lose money, too high and you scare customers off. Fix this by researching what others charge locally and adjusting based on your skill and service quality. Another common issue is not marketing enough. Just waiting for customers to find you won't cut it. Get active on Facebook, Craigslist, or local community boards and make sure people know you exist. The third mistake is trying to do everything alone without asking for help or advice. This can lead to burnout and missed opportunities. Reach out to other welders or business owners nearby for tips or even partnerships to share jobs and resources. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners quickly connect with trusted local contractors who can handle their home repairs or upgrades without the headache of endless searching. At the same time, it gives contractors a platform to showcase their skills and snag more work, making it easier for small businesses like yours to grow right in your hometown.